What is going on? It's Chill Trader. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about crypto, NFTs, DeFi, Metaverse, and all those kind of stuff, futures trading, spot trading, make sure you hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my important crypto and trade updates. So congratulations to those who are in the VIP, and of course to those who are following me on Twitter. I've shared one trade before the weekend, Bitcoin short position, and also in the VIP today we had lit short entry point. So let's check if we can find any good trade setups today. Polygon Matic heading towards 100% rally, so watch out and what could be the reason for that, and we'll try to check some of the chart requests as well. So let's dive right in. All right, crypto bubble play is up by 28.3%. 28.3%. Also, we have Kava and Hex showing up here, up by 13.2%. EGLD, LDO showing up as well. Aave up by 4.8%. Polygon Matic, watch out for Polygon Matic, up by 6%, but it could still continue to move up in the coming days. Not a financial advice. And by the way, we have our extreme fear and greed index still in the extreme fear level at 22. Yesterday it was at 23, so we're getting lower and lower. We're almost getting the hang of it. It gets normal every day. Let's check as well. Long and short ratio here. Market is confused. We have a BitFinex. I don't know if this data is accurate, but 100% are in short position in BitFinex in the past 5 minutes. Also in FTX, mostly are in long position, 76% long in FTX. BitGet, we have 75. We have mixed positions here in most of the exchange. BitGet, we have 75% short positions. Let's check the amount of liquidation. I hope you're not included in this data here. Overall, in the past 4 hours, we are still on the same level, the same volume, very, very low volume. But I'm expecting a possible good move soon. Let's check. Where is that good move heading? Is it towards the upside or towards the downside? In the past 4 hours, we had 56% long position has been liquidated, almost mixed, because we have seen a breakout. Bitcoin, we have seen a breakout from that resistance trend line, but it didn't break the consolidation area. We got rejected from the resistance point or the consolidation channel. Let's check the past 24 hours. 64% short. This is very thin. The volume is still very, very thin. Any whales can move this current market right now. So let's wait for that decision. I think they're just waiting to strike. 64% short. That's around $60 million. And also, let me update you with the previous trade. So October 22, I have posted one chart that's Saturday before I went to my weekend. I enjoyed the weekend, having fun. Winter is almost here in this part of this world, so it's a good time to go outside, walk, and enjoy the outdoor weather. So October 22, that was Saturday. Posted one chart, and this is just a very small setup, almost 1-to-1 ratio here for Bitcoin, and the trade setup is to short near the resistance trend line. This is the idea here, to short near the resistance trend line, and also this is in confluence with the 200-day moving average. And today I've seen I entered a little bit late. So here's the trade result, guys. 200%. My entry point was around 19,500-ish, but if you follow the trade setup, entry point here near the resistance trend line, that's around 19,500-ish, almost the same. And if you have managed to enter a little bit higher, around 19,600, I think the peak or the last week was around 19,000. Let's check the chart actually. So here I have 2 Bitcoin chart here. So let me find the correct one. And by the way, here's the chart, guys. Here's the chart. So a little bit higher, around 19,500. Our stop loss was around 19,750. So exactly, just a little bit below. We have seen a candle wick almost identical to this candles here on the left. So that was a very good entry point, but watch out, because if this daily candle, by the way, before we proceed talking about technical analysis, disclaimer: the information provided on this channel is based on my personal opinion and for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the channel's content as such. I do not recommend any cryptocurrency should be bought, sold, or held by you. Do conduct your own research and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decision. Alright, so congratulations to those who have entered the trade, guys. Congratulations to the chill traders and to those who are following me on Twitter. I will continue to provide you high quality trades, not only in the VIP, but also to those who are following me on Twitter. Previously, I've shared I've shared one chart as well, and also shared several outlook for APT. And right now, let's watch out for possible short entry point. Not there yet, but let's wait a little bit more, and let's wait for some confirmation. Also here in our VIP Discord, I just would like to share with you one trade setup I've shared today. So October 24, also one announcement here. US Federal Reserve may have slowed down the pace of interest hike and approve a smaller interest base points. So they're expecting a lower hikes by the end of the 2022. So maybe the expectation will be around 50 to 75 BPS in December, according to a WSJ report. And also I have shared one short entry point today. Lit approaching resistance trend line, forming symmetrical triangle pattern, possible short on this level. This was the chart a while ago. I have entered short position as soon as I've shared the chart. So I shared the chart, entered my short entry point. So I hope you have entered the short together with me. And here's the trade update. So a while ago, this was. Let's check the time frame. Where is that? Here. So this is the daily time frame. Let's check the daily time frame so we can compare it. So a while ago, the price was hovering here, this point. So we have shorted the lit near the resistance trend line. I'm only expecting 5% move, guys, but this price have dropped below the support. Why 5%? Because if you're going to check here in the 1 hour time frame, I am expecting just a small move here from the resistance trend line and a possible retest of the 200-day moving average. So that's around 5%, but we got a bonus here. It seems that the 200-day moving average doesn't seem to hold as a support. So if you're still holding lit, there is still a chance. We have some supports here at this current level, but if this doesn't hold, then there is a possibility for another 100% move here back to the resistance or the support trend line. So if you're still holding and if you want to risk, not a financial advice, based on this chart, the price could still revisit this 200-day EMA or moving average will act right now as a resistance for lit. So that's the trade setup and here's the result here. So super high risk, possible 5% trade, but chart overall looking bullish in most of the time frame. You are trying to catch a small correction back to 200-day moving average. So that was the trade setup, but for now we have reached almost 120%. You can close your trades here if you're satisfied with the gains, but if you want to hold and if you want to hold until the resistance trend line, you may do so. Not a financial advice. You can close trade here or wait for possible revisit of the support trend line. So that is just my own opinion. I think there is still a chance that the price would revisit the support trend line. So let's check some of the news before we head on to, by the way, it's getting hot in here. I need to adjust the temperature. So check this out first. Check this ad. 5 reasons why you should open an account in BITGET. BITGET new and improved 2.0 platform, seamless user experience, responsive and optimized design for all digital devices. Open, close, set TP and stop loss using the drag and drop feature. BGB BITGET's native token. Use it as trading fee discounts, launchpad privilege, Groupon, super airdrops, monetary privilege, and BGB earn. Deposit, hold, earn up to 6% annual percentage yield. Buy crypto with credit cards, Apple Pay, or Google Pay, using the most trusted payment infrastructure in the world of crypto. BITGET received regulatory licenses in Australia, Canada, and in the US. So what are you waiting for? Download BITGET. The link is in the description down below. Alright, so what are you waiting for? Download BITGET. The link is in the description down below. So by the way, guys, I will be sharing some of my trade setups in BITGET Insights. So I was lucky I was able to get in first. I was one of the traders that was accepted to post some insights in BITGET. So if you're using your mobile phone, and if you have a BITGET app, there's a new feature there talking about, it's about insights. So you will get like trading analysis here. Let me find, if I can find myself right now. Trading. All right. News. So here in this section, don't know if you can see it. It's inverse, I think, but you will see like trade setups, and I will be sharing some of my analysis here. Feel free to follow me in BITGET. I will be sharing some of my trade setups here, exclusive for the chill traders community. All right, so I will be sharing some of the trade setups, exclusive trade setups here in BITGET Insight. So I got lucky. I was one of those who got lucky and were accepted to share some analysis in BITGET. All right, so let's proceed with some of the news, and we'll continue with the chart. So Warren Buffett back neobank picks Polygon for Web3 token. Matic price eyes 100% rally. So let's check if this is possible and what will be the next possible target, just in case. Matic has painted a bull flag setup with a profit target sitting nearly 100% higher than its current price. So if we're talking about the actual 100% here, And if you're trading leverage, using leverage would increase that percentage, all right? So 100% using 100x, that's 1000% using leverage. Let me just pull up my monitor. All right. So we have, let me check some of our viewers here. We have new destination. First, hi Chill, have a great day. We have also Zen Batsu, hi all chill trader. Welcome to the stream. We have also Ray France joining us today. We have Maita Martina, hi legends. We have also Abdul Kalam, hi bro. MKR USDT chart update please. We'll update MKR. If we still have time, let's make this very quick and accurate. We have also Zachary Naeem, finally Monday to watch Chill. Thanks for joining me today. Thanks for joining me. We have also a request here from Maita Martina to check MKR and ADA, please. And also, guys, we have another trade. Let me show you ADA. Very good entry point. It reached almost 400%. 400% using 75x leverage from our previous entry point. So next support we have here a trade setup. So long position at around 0.346, and that was a very good entry point. Even before, guys, even before the price reach, this was already shared ahead of time. So next support, long-term buy zone and long entry point. Here we have our risk to reward ratio here, 2.6 versus 13%. So we got a very beautiful bounce, and here are some of the gains. Some of the gains, guys. So we had this was from the Bitcoin trade that I've shared in our in my Twitter account, and also I have ADA here at 321%, and of course our lit today 120% for lit. So that was very good trade setup. Some or a few trades. It's Monday, so let's continue to smash the market, but also we need to be careful because not all the time we need to enter a trade. Sometimes sitting on a no position is a good position. All right, so let's move on with this news. Warren Buffett getting bullish, or Neon Bank picks Polygon Matic for Web3 token. So let's check the possible target here. The price of Polygon Matic currently trading at 0.8929. Coin could double by the end of 2022. So that's 3 months, October, November, December. That's the 3 months target. Let's check if that's possible, because most of the cryptos will just follow Bitcoin right now. If Bitcoin is going to crash, no bullishness is going to affect some of the altcoins. But let's just continue reading this and check. Polygon wins high profile client. This is long term, guys. Long term. I'm gonna still accumulate Polygon for long term. If you remember, I have sold most of my Polygon Matic at around 0.96 area to 0.98, 0.96. I've closed or sold most of my long term position there because I have already doubled my initial capital. Same with Ethereum, bought at sub $1,000, sold mostly at 2,000. So right now I'm trying to reaccumulate for long term. Matic rose by nearly 6.5% 4 days after NU Bank, a Brazilian fintech company backed by Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway, and SoftBank, confirmed that it selected Polygon Matic Supernet's technology for its blockchain digital token dubbed KUCOIN. NU Bank plans to airdrop the digital token to its customer in the first half of 2023. The official announcement read, adding. All right, so this is one of the official announcement from Polygon Matic. is taking new bank. Wow, this is good news here from Polygon. So let's watch out for the chart, and here's the bull flag. Let's check this chart. Again. So this is Polygon Matic US dollar 3-day chart in Binance. So we have here the pole and our flag, possible target 1.8. Let's check if that is possible based on, we have the support here. Let's check if this 0.67 support will be able to hold. If this will hold, then this could be a very good long entry point here. All right, so let's jump into our charts. Let's check first S&P 500. We have also Suresh Babu joining, and Pranjal, best you are. Our team is late today. I'm in the last. So S&P 500, guys, let's check this very quickly, and let's check our charts just to give you an update about where are we heading. Daily time frame, currently trading. So we need to watch out for the daily candle. Daily candle closing above R2, possible pump or revisit. We have our resistances here for S&P 500. So Bitcoin will likely to follow S&P 500 if this close above this area, guys, 3819. Watch out for the orange line. If the daily candle closes above 3819, it is likely that the price will go back or revisit the previous resistance here at around 3,900 to $3,977. That is a huge move from the current level here. And if Bitcoin is going to follow, that's around 2% move. That is already a huge move for S&P 500, guys. So 2 to 4% move from the current level. But of course, there will be some volatility and of course some correction along the way. Maybe we'll get rejected here, and a possible retest of support or the previous resistance R2 at 38 or 3784. So possible price action, rejection. This price action is already there. Green line, so possible rejection from the orange line, retested support here. If this will hold, then possible continuation of trend up to 3,900 to 3,977 area. But if the daily candle closes below R2, then we might be heading towards the 200-day moving average for long term, medium to long term. All right, so let me share this update in our VIP Discord. I'm just sharing this openly to everyone who's curious what's inside Discord. What do we expect if we join the VIP? So this is what you will expect and what you will get if you join the VIP. S&P 500 chart update as per the latest stream. All right. APT chart, been a long time. Alex Heels joining us here. Wow, welcome to the stream, guys. All right, so let's move on to Ethereum. So Ethereum here breaking out from that consolidation area that we kept talking about for several days now. So this is the consolidation area resistance at the 1339 here. If this continues to hold, then we have also a resistance here along the way. And also we are near the previous resistance trend line, this yellow line here. Let me just extend it a little bit. So we have the zone resistance in confluence right now with the yellow line here. So possible pump up to 1,420 if this support here will hold at 1,300. So watch out for 1,300 level. If daily candle closes above this red line, it is likely that Ethereum will be able to pump until 1,425. So also, this could be a good short position here if you're looking for a quick trade at around this area. This area. Possible. All right. So this resistance in confluence with the resistance trend line, also a possible short entry point at this level. Let's make this red. All right. So stochastic RSI here is approaching. This will be in confluence with our MACD here. We still have some few gap left here, so just in case we Ethereum will go for a short rally here up to the resistance trend line. This is just in confluence with MACD approaching 0, and if this will be rejected from the 0 area, then this could be a very good short entry point here at around 1426 area. I'm still holding my long position, guys, for Matic at around this area, zone support. I have entered long position near the zone support. So I'm planning to swing this trade up to this 1426 area. So here's the Ethereum chart update as per the latest stream. So I have already posted some updates, guys, in our VIP Discord. Not a financial advice to those who are watching here. I am posting an update whenever there are important confluences and price action. So be careful. If you're looking at this right now online, you might see some trade setups or some advanced because I'm sharing trade updates here ahead of time. Like for example, for this Ethereum, we have already our short entry point. Even the price is still far away, we have our short entry point already here, just in case, right? So you will not be left behind. We are staying ahead of the game. Not a financial advice. This is just my own opinion. I'm sharing with you the possible trades that I would take, or the trades that I'm looking at in the coming days. All right. But all of this is for educational purposes, not a financial advice. So for Bitcoin, this is one of the chart. Watch out for this area here. Let's check our original chart for Bitcoin. Congratulations again to those who have shorted Bitcoin at around 19,500. So that chart is also, this is our original chart that I have been sharing with you for almost 4 months right now. Same chart. I have been trading this since this bear flag pattern here. We had a bear flag pattern, and right now I've shorted previously Bitcoin at around this level, 25,000. And right now we are just hovering here, hovering. We have the sideways channel, and Bitcoin failed to break this green line here. And if you are in the VIP, you can see that this is the same chart for how many months right now. We are following the same chart, and right now we have seen a breakout from the resistance trend line, the blue line here, but also this could be just another continuation of trend here if this orange line fails to hold. $19,000 will be the support to maintain this bullish momentum or the breakout from the resistance trend line. If this fails to hold, then this could be just part of its consolidation at this point here. Support at 18,800 and resistance at 19,500 for Bitcoin. So daily candle, watch out for daily candle closing above 19,500. That could signal another pump up to the key level resistance here at around 20,000 to 20,500 level. But if this fails to hold the orange line, then a possible revisit of the blue line at 18,800, then a possible continuation of its consolidation here for Bitcoin. For now, let's watch out for the orange line at 19,000. This should hold to maintain its bullish momentum, and a possible breakout here at 19,500. So support right now 19,000, possible quick long here if you're planning to join here, if you're planning to join the ride. Breakout play, possible quick long near the orange line, retest the support, then possible target at 20,000 to 20,500 level. I'm still holding my short position and as well as my long position, guys. So I'm holding my long at around 500%, and at the same time I'm scalping some possible shorts here along the way. So I've entered short today at 19,450-ish area. That's almost 250% today, and I'm gonna close the trade once we see a bounce. I've already taken 50% of it. I have adjusted my stop loss back to entry point, so just in case we pump back up, I have already secured my profit, and there will be no losses incurred just in case this continues to pump back up. And at the same time, I'm still holding my long, so that's hitting two birds with one stone. So that's for Bitcoin. That's for Bitcoin, guys. Let's check as well ADA and MKR. I think I've already shared the update. Same chart. I have already updated the chart here, but just Bitcoin chart update as per the latest stream. All right, so same chart I posted, same levels that I'm watching here. I've shared earlier in our VIP Discord. Right, so let's check next. We have, and by the way, don't forget to smash those likes, guys. That is to tell YouTube that we are creating good content here, and for YouTube to push our content to more viewers. So let's check MKR and ADA. Wanted chart request today. Let's check Dixie. DXY is still hovering on that 38.2 level. Watch out for this level, guys. Let me just make this clear. So this is the level right now that we need to watch out for DXY. If this doesn't hold, daily candle close below 38.2, watch out. Possible Bitcoin pump short-term rally going to that resistance area. If this daily candle closes below the 38.2 level, this could revisit the support trend line here, and a possible breakdown could lead to a short-term rally, especially if you're going to combine all the confluence. We have the Fed adjusting their hikes, rate hikes to 50, possible 50 to 75 BPS by the last quarter of 2022. So that's one good news that could trigger a small rally by the end of the year. And also our Dixie here trading below 38.2 could possibly revisit the support trend line here or a possible break of trend. Last time I showed you the parabola for the Dixie chart. So if that is going to break, then Bitcoin could do a short-term rally. We have here the 200-day moving average. So Dixie is already trading very far from this 200-day moving average. Eventually, this the price will catch up or will touch this 200-day moving average, and if that is going to happen, then we might see a small relief rally, not only for Bitcoin but the rest of the altcoins. All right, so that's for Dixie. Let's check MKR. Where is MKR? We had our previous chart here. We have our previous chart here for MKR. This is already trading below the Fibonacci retracement area, guys. Based on the lower time frame, we got already a retracement here. So previously our short position was at around this area. I don't know if the stop loss was hit. This was the stop loss here. Orange line, this one here, it was hit. But if you set your stop loss just around 0% here, then you could have survived and could have entered a good trade. Or if you have entered late, then that could be a very good short entry point. And that was the previous trade setup that we are looking at here. Perfect short position. That was a perfect short position, guys. All right, and right now this is trading below the Fibonacci retracement level, and this means that there could be a chance or a possible continuation of trend to the downside. So if this daily candle closes below 78.6, then possible revisit of the 100 area here at around $890. And of course, long term, we have our next supports here. Yeah, so this orange line, let me delete this. All right, so here, so we have two short entry points as well, and target actually, this was the original target here. The moonshot target was actually hit. So congratulations to those who have shorted MKR. I have shorted MKR, but I've already closed my trade to give way to other charts here. So again, congratulations to those who have entered the trade here. We had some very good trade setups in the past month. This is the best time again to trade, guys, during the bear market, because usually most of the chart is just moving on a sideways channel or consolidation. So this is a very good time to trade if you know how to read chart. Just basic support and resistance, you can survive this bear market, and you can survive the basic trading if you know support, resistance, moving average, exponential moving average, Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci extension levels. And also you need to watch out for possible confluence. That's the basic, and that's what you need. You can survive this bear market, and you can survive the basic of trading. So this one here is just, you can see we have the 200-day moving average here in the daily time frame, and that's already a resistance, guys, and that's a very good entry point if you want to enter a short position. First time that the price will approach the 200-day moving average, that's the hardest of all the moving averages. So we're using in the smaller time frame, we have 20-day, we have 50-day, we have 100-day. The 200 is the hardest to break. So this is the first time that MKR is approaching the 200-day moving average. It is likely that it will get rejected. That is why I've set a short entry point here near the 200-day moving average. Late entry MKR, but still some gains in my pocket. So congratulations, guys. Congratulations again to those who have entered MKR. Nice short on that MKR. Wow. Also Senbatsu. I've also shorted MKR, but I've taken profit early to give way to other trades. And as much as possible, most of the trade setups, I want to enter it myself so that I can track the trades myself, and I can update you with the trades that I'm sharing. So here for MKR, next possible support, because this is already trading below the Fibonacci level, but of course this white line is our target. Here we have some zone support, guys. This blue area, we have some zone support here until this orange line here. So first we might get a possible quick bounce, and also this orange line. Overall, this is already trading below the Fibonacci levels, guys. So it is possible that it is likely that the price will revisit this zone support and possible revisit of the support here at around $811. So if you want to enter long position, wait for the price to at least revisit the support. Long term, the price is still going to revisit this orange support here at around $590, because as what you can see here, the price has been rejected from the 200-day moving average. Rejection, bang. Rejection, bam. And right now, this is the first rejection after that hard rejection from March 29, 2022. So this is another retest here. So still long-term possible revisit of $880 for MKR. We have also confluence here, guys. We have confluence of support here. So long-term, I think MKR, in my own opinion, is going to revisit this area. 595 area. All right, but of course, if you're using leverage, be careful, because this small move could also liquidate your account if you don't know how to do proper position sizing and margin. So that's for MKR. I think it's better to look at this chart this way. Let me just share this. Let me just fix it. This was a previous short entry point. All right. So let me share this in our I'm just gonna use the other chart or the Discord here, because we have some also futures trade. It will be unfair to share all the trades in YouTube. So let me share this in altcoins. MKR chart update as per the latest stream. All right, so also ADA. Let's check ADA from our buy zone and long entry point. So lower time frame, guys, this still is still looking bullish in the 1 hour time frame. Our stochastic RSI is still in the oversold area, and right now the price is trading above the 200-day moving average. If this is going to hold, then our next possible target here will be this yellow line, or the resistance 0.3819. Similar if you're going to check this in the daily time frame. So this is our target for this long position, guys. But of course, right now we have some resistance as we have V-shaped recovery here, but of course we have some resistance here. This one here will serve as a resistance, another resistance here. Let me just label this. So take profit at this area. If you are in a long position for ADA, make sure you take profit near these white lines here. Not a financial advice, of course. This will be my take profit zone for this specific kind of trade. So again, this is just for educational purposes only, all right? Although we have some good trades here, don't fully trust my analysis. Do your own analysis. And also, if you're going to look at this, guys, we have our previous zone support here. So we have also our note here to start DCA possible swing long. This was, look at that. If you're going to see a big red flashing candle, this is not a good time to enter long. That is why in most of our trades, I always mention check price action. Don't enter a trade blindly. So if you're following this chart and you're just looking at the indicators or the labels here to start the DCA for possible swing long, and you're looking at big red flashing candle here, you don't enter a trade. So here we got a beautiful bounce from the support, and I have actually shared this entry in our VIP Discord. So long position here, very good long position, just a candle wick, and right now we are up by almost 7%. Target remains at 0.38. But long term, let's check if ADA will be able to retest this previous support here, turned into a resistance. All right, so I think that's it for now, guys. Thanks for joining me. We have Philip joining, but I'm sorry, bro, we are already about to end the stream. So again, congratulations to those who have entered the trade. I will continue to update you with our trade setups, and if you are in BITGET or if you want to download BITGET, I will be sharing exclusive trade setups there. All right, so trade safely, protect your assets at all times. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.